ladies and gentlemen. My name is Trudie Styler, and it's a pleasure and a privilege to be here to support Rome's bid to host Expo 2030. My family and I have a long and special connection with Italy. Back in 1990, we spent the year renting a villa just outside Pisa. Sting was writing an album which he called Soul Cages, a work of memories and loss following the death of his parents. It was also the year that I gave birth to our third child, Elliot. So whilst lost lives were being mourned, a new life was just beginning. And Italy gave my husband the privacy he needed to come to terms with death, while it also gave our newest family member the warmest welcome into the world. We felt the genuine support of loving arms around us. That was a unique year in our lives, and it made us long for our own Italian haven. So we made Italy our home on an estate in Tuscany. And now I like to think of myself as an honorary Italian. After so much time in Tuscany, I've spent the last 2 years making a documentary about Naples. The film is my journey of discovery of a fascinating city with my guides, many and varied, for I met housewives, artists, street traders, activists, a historian, a chef. Everyone welcomed me warmly with open arms and embraced me with their hospitality. I called my film Posso entrare, an ode to Naples. Posso entrare, of course, means may I come in? And the response was always, sì certo, la porta è aperta. The door is open. I was welcomed into people's homes, introduced to their families, and invited into their lives with loving arms. This encircling, this welcoming, this inclusivity became the natural theme of my film, a message that grew organically from the characters that I'd met. Their generosity and shared humanity are qualities that I found everywhere in that beautiful country of Italy. But my love affair with Italy began much longer ago, in the city that first welcomed me as one of their own, Rome. As a young actress 40 years ago, I spent many months in Rome making films at the world-famous Cinecittà Studios, the largest in Europe, where I was lucky enough to meet Federico Fellini. The experience inspired me. It opened my eyes, my mind, and Rome welcomed me, the stranger I then was, with loving arms. For Rome welcomes us all. It's genuine, authentic. The Romans value love, family, ritual. They honor humanity in all its strengths and weaknesses, its beauty and imperfections. They offer equal opportunities for women across all levels of society. They stand for progress, education, solidarity, in harmony with the values of Expo 2030. And I know that Rome cannot wait to welcome Expo with open and loving arms. And to the world that says, Posso entrare, Rome will reply, the door is open. Please come in. So let's take Expo home to Roma, to Rome. Thank you so much.